Hi everyone, welcome to South Textile English YouTube channel. Today we will discuss regarding naps size, naps quantity, how to cover in a spinning process or ginning process, and naps is a important matter in the case of cotton yarn. If we are making synthetic yarn, then naps will not increase so much and fabric appearance will not disturb because naps generation is too less in case of synthetic, but in cotton we have to keep sharp eyes on the naps generation, controlling of naps in the process. These methods to be selected what to minimize the naps generation. You see, regarding naps, I am telling one thing. Naps is always measured by micron. Micron means 1 meter divided by 1 million, that the portion will come is 1 micron, means 1 meter 1 millionth. If we divide 1 meter divided by 1 million, then it will come 1 micron. And naps is always measured as micron. Micron means one type of thickness. Suppose I am telling you, we are using day to day in our household items from vegetable grocery shops, that polythene we have taken, that is 20 micron, 25 up to 50, 60 micron, means that thickness. This way, the naps micron is generally 300 to 1200 micron. And see what type of naps we are seeing in process. First one, see one fiber. This is red color marked is fiber, and green color mark, that is entangled. Entangled means that fiber is entangled in the one side. You see, we are sometimes attaching papers by alpin, a touch pin, that is like touch pin, one side folded or another side open. And see, that is a naps, it is called a single fiber nap. One fiber, that naps made from one fiber. You see, that is a naps here, green color dot, and fiber, two fibers, and that is called multiple fiber nap. That may be 2, 3, 4, that is multiple fiber naps. And you see, that is number 3, that is one seed coat fragment, means in process, maybe ginning or maybe spinning, the seed broken and the parts of the seed retain some fibers around it. That is called seed coat naps. That is more dangerous, and that is more thickness also, and it will not kept in the yarn. It should be removed. Then only you get the perfect yarn quality. And we will told you what to remove it. You see, another thing, this is a hook. Hook means fiber one side just like folded, this way, folded, and this back side, fiber back side folded is trailing hook, and that is fiber, you see, front side folded, that is leading hook. Both side folded, that is called both side hook. The three hooks, they are always removed something in carding, something in breaker drop hem, finally after finisher drop hem. And if you are doing combing, then it all will be cleared. Minutely 1-2 piece may be in the sliver. These are the naps category, and you note 1 micron is 1 meter divided by 10 lakh. That thickness is called micron. You see another thing, here is, you see, one sample, fabric sample, suppose that is 10 inch by 10 inch, and here is the naps is very bigger size. Just you see that is suppose 1000 micron, okay, 1000 micron, 1000 micron, and you see that total naps suppose 300, okay. And another fabric piece, you see, same size, 10 inch by 10 inch, and here naps in the fabric, suppose size 500 micron, ठीक है, 500 micron, and number of naps is 700 naps. You see, where nap size is smaller, the fabric appearance will be good. Maybe more naps, but the size is small. That means this fabric will be accepted by party, but this was not accepted at all, because this nap size is too big, and the fabric surface very bad appearance, and you cannot sell this type of fabric in the market. So nap size is important in a spinning unit. So we have to control the nap size and number of naps both. You see, today topic, nap size and its effect. Today topic, definition of naps. What is the naps? You see, naps definition is a small knot of entangled fibers. One knot of entangled fiber, it may be single fiber or multiple fiber, and it may consist of seed coat fragment, means some seed broken and some pieces of broken teeny seed entangled with multiple fibers. That is called seed coat naps. These are the naps. You see, again I am telling, a small knot of entangled fiber consisting either fibers, it may be fiber or fiber entangled with seed coat. Two types of naps. Okay. Size of naps, you see, it is generally 300 to 600 micron. Generally, fiber naps, which naps are consists of fibers, made by fibers. That is called fiber naps. That is 300 to 600 accepted, below 600, not above 600. And another thing, 600 to sometimes 1000, 1100, 1200 also micron, known as seed coat naps. Seed coat naps always more in size. I am telling one thing, seed coat naps in carding always kept 3, 4, 5 maximum 9, only single digit accepted. If you are doing combing process, so it will be seed coat nap 0 या maximum 1. If carded, you should not go, you should not wait for 9 naps, because in carded yarn you have to clear the seed coat naps, unless your fabric appearance, yarn appearance will be very, very bad. In case of carded, you maintain 3 to 4 seed coat naps. That's why whether we are running carded material, carding speed kept very, very low than the combing process carding. Whether we are running carding process, then keep a carding speed low. If we are going for combing process, then speed the carding machine more. It will be covered by a combing process. Okay, you see naps type. One is fiber naps. That naps is made by fibers. Okay, another thing, seed coat naps. That seed coat naps is seed fragment, means broken seeds entangled with multiple fibers. Fiber naps, you see, may be single fiber entangled, multiple fiber entangled, or trailing hooks, leading hooks, both side hook. These are trailing hook, leading hook, both side hooks, or single fiber and multiple fiber. These are fiber naps. Fiber naps always lesser micron. Controlling of naps. How to control the naps? It is important thing. You see, controlling of naps, use minimum water percentage on ginning platform before ginning. When you are doing ginning process, before that, we have stocked the material in huge stock, and layer by layer we have to spray water, because whenever we spraying water, cotton fiber strength increase, and whenever we doing the ginning, the fiber will not break. That's why we put some water percentage, but keep it in mind, if you will add more water, then there will be a chance of entangled fiber in ginning. So you keep the water percentage ginning before ginning lesser. Set ductor's life setting perfect to prevent seed breaks. You see, in ginning machine, where ginning machine is here, or ductor knives in this area. Ductor knives means this prevent the seeds. If setting will be bad, means too close, then it will break the seed. Break the seed means seed coat naps will be created. Ductor knife setting should keep perfect. Leather roller of ginning groups depth and width must maintain. You see, where we are doing ginning in a double gin machine, there is two leather rollers. That is one type of group made, and that group will hold the seed and allow only fiber. If group is not okay, then seed will be broken, and that broken seed pass with fiber and create the seed coat naps. Means leather roller of ginning groups depth and width. You see, this is the roller. We have group this way. So group width and depth both should be perfect. If there will be mistake, then seed will be broken. Keep beater speed, fan speed beater to feed roller setting, grid bar setting as per material. You see, in blow room all beater speed keep as per material type, and beater to feed roll gap that should be maintained, and a fan speed to blow the material perfectly, that is also maintained. If fan speed is more or less, then clogging of material will be in the process, and generation of naps will be more. Okay, you see, keep beater speed, fan speed, beater to feed roll setting, grid bar setting as per material. You see, if grid bar setting will be closer, then naps short fiber will not removed. You see, grid bar setting also to keep perfect, so that naps and short fiber will drop in the waste and naps will be removed. And see, avoid bent pins of beaters, 2 old pins, metallic wear pads in process. You see, in beaters there are pins. Pin, if it is damaged, bent, or pins is too old, or any metallic pad, like metallic wear pad is bent, worn out, too old, then it will create the naps in the process. It should be maintained. Adjust opening roll, Licrin, cylinder, duffer, flat speed as per material. You see, in cutting machine there is a opening roller, that speed, cylinder speed, Licrin speed, duffer speed, flat speed, all to keep as per material quality. If fine count material running, means a longer staple, less trash, then keep the speed minimum. If a trashy cotton, medium count, then increase the speed something more. In synthetic, you also increase more speed. Okay. Keep very, very close setting of cylinder to flat gauge to remove naps effectively. Cylinder, regarding cylinder to flat gauge, it should be minimum. Suppose in cotton we have kept 0.25. In case of flat to cylinder gauge in thou, 7, 8, 9 is good. If we are running synthetic, there 12, 10 thou is okay, or 0.3 also okay. And you see, if you will not keep closer setting, naps will not removed. If doing closer setting, that naps will collected by flat waste and it will be cleared. And you see, increase the flat speed as per the picking number or cotton quality. You see, flat speed. Suppose we are taking the material in carding, fast picking. Fast picking is very good quality because that micronear value is more, means yarn linear density is more, and it will prevent generation of naps. That time we can keep flat speed lesser amount. Whenever we go for second picking, third picking, their micronear value drastically down, RD value less, B plus value more. That time cotton quality not good at all. That time you have to increase the flat speed to remove the naps, unless you cannot manage the quality. Avoid to run old wear pants, partially damaged wear pants of carding. You see, if your carding, suppose 1200 ton is the life of carding wear, if we are running any card 1500 ton, 2000 ton, then that wear pant is not good at all. At that time, they will not remove the naps instead of they will increase the naps. So any wear pant is too old or partially damaged, then it should be avoided. It should be change the wear pant. Then you will get the naps lesser amount. Comber, variocomb, top comb condition, top comb penetration, nail percentage, blowroom carding waste percentage. These are all the factors to reduce the naps. You see, variocomb in some case unicomb also told variocomb, top comb and fan speed as per beater. नहीं, top comb penetration, nail percentage, blower cutting waste percentage. As per material, you have to set all the things. Synchronization of blower beaters, fan speed as per beater speed for a smooth material transfer. You see, if you have maintained the speed, everything, but their material flow should be smooth. Material clogging in any beater means frequently that material overlap the beater, then material will be changed into naps. You see, comber speed, feet per nip, gram per meter of lap, also responsible for high nip. In comber, suppose your comber nips per minute means speed, comber feed per nip means how much feeding per one nip in mm, and nail percentage, what you are setting nail percentage, gram per meter of lap, feeding lap, all are responsible for high naps. It should be set as per your yarn quality requirement and as per your raw material condition. Continuous waste section by WCS, waste collection system for a smooth working. You see, in blow room, in carding, in comber, all the waste collection system must be centralized in WCS, means waste collection system, so that clogging of waste not in the any machine, and that quality of output will be good, then we can expect some low naps in the process. Do not keep more RH in process and select raw material 7 to 9% moisture only. You see, whenever selecting raw material for spinning process, keep the moisture percentage in the material 7 to 9%. Above 9% not accepted at all, because it will increase your naps level. And another thing, do not keep more RH in the department, because if you will keep more RH, then material will be help to increase the naps rather to decrease. Okay. Another thing you see, for example, I am telling raw material means your ginning material. Suppose below 110 naps per gram, and that will be carding naps per gram sliver 70 to 90, comber 10 to 12 naps per gram. That is excellent in the process. If your naps level of raw material 110 to 120 naps per gram and carding 80 to 100 naps per gram and comber sliver 15 to 18 naps per gram, that is good, not bad, that is good. And you see 120 to 140 naps per gram in raw material, 90 to 120 naps in carding sliver, 20 to 30 naps in naps per gram in comber, that is average, means not bad, not good. And above 150 in the raw material, 130 to 140 naps per gram in carding sliver, and 40 and above in combed saliva. That is very bad condition. Okay, this is a 2-day class, and I hope you are all understand my points how to reduce naps, what is the nap size, and what are the matlab criteria to maintain minimum naps in the process. Okay, thank you.